Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manipulate an image using a library known as OpenCV, Open Source Computer Vision. Let's begin. Let's import CV2 as CV. So let's read our image cv.m read. So the image that I'm going to read is inside the folder in my pictures. Here is the image, this one. It has a file path. Let me copy it. So let me paste it. If you're using Windows, you have to change this backslash to forward slash. If not, the image will not be read by your system. So I'm going to store all these in a variable known as image, so that each time I want to see the image, I will just write this image. So let's display the image using imshow. Display the image. So let's write cv.imshow. So the first one, it has two arguments. The first one is the window name. You can write anything, but let me just write image. The second one is the metric, like that's the value, that's image. So let me just write something. I want to see the shape of the image. Print image dot shape. That's the dimension. So let's display the image, but let me just write cv.weight key. Let me put it to 0. Without the weight key, the image will just open and go. It will not stay for a long period. cv.destroy all windows. After I've opened the window, I want every window to be closed once I destroyed it. So let me just run it and see. You can see the image. The image is too big for the window. So let me close it and resize the image. You can see the image is 4000 by 3000 megapixel, and this 3 means it is a colored image. For black and white, it is 1. So let's resize the image. So we're going to write cv.resize, then image, then the size that we want to. It is 4000 by 3000 pixels, so I'll just reduce it to 400 by 400 so that they will. So this one will be called resized image. Resized image. So then we are going to display the resized image. I'm going to clear this one. I'll name the window resized. Then the variable here is resized image. So let's print the resized image and let's see. Here is the resized image, you can see, but it is like when I reduce the pixel, the size, the quality of the image also reduce. So let me convert the image to black and white. So this is going to be cv.convert color, then the name, that's the resized image, then the color we want to convert it to cv.color. Like we said, we want to convert it from BGR, that's blue, green, red, to gray. Gray means black and white. So we are going to name this gray. So let's display the gray image. So here we are going to write cv.imshow. Then the first window, let me just write the gray, but you can still write anything you wish, but the value should be the variable that you name the code for the image. So let us display both images and let's see how they look like. What did they say? They say print. Okay, this print, let me just delete it. So let me just arrange the code. Okay, let me display it now. You can see both of them, the black and white and the colored image. So let me still create another colored image, this one containing HSV. That means hue, saturation and value. So let us do it and let's see. So this one is going to be BGR to HSV. You can see here BGR to HSV. So this image will be named HSV. So here I'm going to display all of them together. So this one's going to be cv.imshow. Then the window name I'm going to say HSV. Then the name of the image is still HSV. So let me display all of them at once. Let's see. Voila, you can see them. You can see this one is HSV, gray and resize. You can see the window name. That's the name of the window that I'm telling you about. So let me just increase the size of the image so that let me move this one upwards so that the code can see all of the code. Let me increase the size of the images to 600. Let's see what will happen. Let's see. Oh, you can see them at 600 by 600 pixels. They look beautiful. So let me take them to 700 by 700. Let me see. You can see them at 700 by 700 megapixel. So let me tell you what the wait key here. If I put 1, after just 1 milliseconds, the image will disappear. Let me run it and see. You can see it just flashes. So if I put 30, after 30 milliseconds, the image will disappear. You can see. But if I put 0, it means it is going to stay there till I press any key. Stay there forever. That's just it. It will not move until I press a key. So that's just an introduction about what OpenCV. Thank you. Bye bye.